YouTube viewers, and welcome back to another stunning property. Today I am at the edge of the Corrèze and Creuse departments, right in the center of France. It's a beautiful area with lovely villages and lovely roads if you're cycling or a motorcyclist like me, lots of treks, tons of natures and wildlife everywhere. I mean, we are surrounded by forests in this area, and that's really a region which is known for the gastronomy, the lakes. If you are a nature lover, that's the place to be. We are 500 meters away from the main road that leads from Ussel in the Corrèze to Aubusson in the Creuse, and in terms of access, you have the nearby highways to Paris, to Bordeaux, and to the southeast of France. So the location is really excellent, I would say. So what is it all about? This place is absolutely stunning. You'll see the interior of the chateau behind me in a minute, but it's not only about the chateau. Let's speak about what this land comprises. So we sit on more than 10 hectares. There's a gentle stream leading all the way down to a pond leading to the Rivière Creuse. So you can have direct access to the Creuse River, which is down the hill behind me. The whole park here is fenced. You have an electric gate when you enter the domain, and on the right side of that gate, when you entered the place, a beautiful gatekeeper house in excellent condition. Then we arrive through beautiful mature trees to this chateau. And the chateau dates back from the 19th century. It is absolutely gorgeous. You will see inside, it's really gorgeous. So the chateau is divided in 3 levels. Each is more than 350 square meters around. So that's a total of 1,000 square meters there. So on the ground floor, you'll find a kitchen, some lounges, many nice volumes, beautiful stained glasses everywhere. You have high ceilings of 4.5 meters high, moldings everywhere, original Pointe de Hongrie parquet flooring, which is absolutely stunning, beautiful doors everywhere. It's in excellent condition, honestly, and they kept all the original details. on the first floor, you will find additional bedrooms with a total of 6 really large and comfortable bedrooms and 5 bathrooms total. But it would be easy to divide one of the bathrooms into 2, so each bedroom could have its own bathroom in terms of rental potential. If you would consider that place as a B&B boutique hotel, that would be an excellent investment. On the top floor, you'll find a beautiful volume of more than 350 square meters that could be converted into anything you desire, for instance, an apartment or additional bedrooms. There's also an additional lower level with a professional kitchen. So one thing I really love, when you pass by the left side of that chateau behind me, you arrive to that really lovely little flowing cascades of the stream that crosses the land, and then you will notice the beautiful chapel, which is listed, by the way, and this chapel really gives a special feel to that place. Can you imagine that this chapel basically was moved from somewhere else, stone by stone, and placed ideally there, where it sits right now? So that's quite incredible, because when you look at it, it looks like if it was there for centuries, though it's not. It has been moved to that chateau. Going back to the pond, we'll cross a garden gazebo, which is ideal in summer. It's shaded, you've got some lovely, beautiful trees around it, so a perfect place to spend the whole afternoon with your guests. I would easily imagine myself and friends spending a whole afternoon enjoying an alfresco rosé, overlooking the mature trees of that park and the chateau in the background from that gazebo. Facing the chateau, there's an additional building that comprises 10 apartments. 8 are currently rented all year round. So in terms of income, if you consider that you've got 10 apartments which are really apart from the chateau with their own private access, that's a great investment. And it's not finished, because on that side, on the left, there's also a 300 square meters house, additional house, with its own gate, own private access. And once again, what an ideal place to have your friends or guests, or just as a rental income divided into several gîtes, for instance. If you love that place as much as I do and you want to visit it, our local agent, Sheila Jackson, will be really delighted to tour you around and answer all your questions. So don't hesitate to drop a comment, leave a question for her. You can also have direct access to our website in the description and in the comment section of that video. So that's it for today, and see you soon in another episode of our stunning properties at Leggett.